So yun, no, welcome back to my channel. So this is Tomica Unboxing Part 2, and today we've got something really exciting. The Lamborghini Huracan STO from the basic Tomica line. So ito siya. Yan. So I picked this one up for 329 NDS. This is officially my second diecast content on the page. So salamat sa suporta. So first, no, let's take a look at the box. And again, classic Tomica style, clean and simple.
Oh, yes.
And now, let's open it up.
One eternity later.
So another sweet addition to my collection. No? So if you're into Lambos or Tomica basics, this one's definitely worth it. So sa halagang 329, no, na basic line. Sheesh. So next video, no, pakita natin yung pag wheel swap natin dito. So yun, no, guys. So follow for more unboxing, no. Marami pa tayong bubuksan. Follow nyo ako sa Facebook, follow nyo ako sa IG, and follow nyo rin ako sa TikTok, no. So hanggang dito na lang muna tayo. Peace.